All my roots is here, Misha.
Yeah.
All my roots.
Over there.
Oh, that's one.
I can't believe today is the day that I'm going to see him. Let's get ourselves ready. You're already ready, but Mummy needs to get herself ready. Many people will be asking why I haven't seen my dad in 25 years, and the past is the past. I'll probably keep that bit a bit private, but the main thing is now is that we're ready to come together and reunite after such a long time. I'm so excited. I'm nervous, obviously. I wonder what he's going to say to me. I wonder what his voice sounds like. I wonder if he's going to be excited to see me as I am to see him. I wonder what he's going to make of the grandchildren. There's so many questions. The children are buzzing this morning, really excited to see their granddad. They don't have a granddad, so hopefully this is the day that it all changes for them and for me. Toby's been very supportive as well. He's looking forward to seeing my dad, and yeah, it's a big day for us all, really big day. We moved to Jamaica not long ago. It just so happens that my dad has come to Jamaica on holiday. My uncle, Dad's brother, has managed to arrange all of this for us. And the word my dad just sounds so strange coming out my mouth because I've not had a dad for 25 years. It's words I never thought I'd ever say again. He was a really, really, really good dad. So when he left 25 years ago, my life changed. Are you looking forward to seeing your granddad today for the first time?
I think he's gonna be tall like me and Theo and Daddy and you.
And do you think he's gonna be nice and smiley?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wow.
Oh.
Cheese.
Yeah.
Hey, cheese. Granddad have the same face.
Yeah.
Come, girl, come.
He's talking about your granddad.
You are.
Yeah.
The same class.
Smile, team. Oh, gone.
Thank you.
Because Misha,
I paid the grave, innit?
Oh.
Let's have a look.
She was the one that
Yeah, were
brought
they
me
blue?
up.
Was it
Bit-
blue last time?
No,
Was
no,
it blue?
it's always white.
Oh, okay.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah, it looks lovely. Can we go look?
I got some paint and paint.
Yeah, make it fresh.
Yay.
Humpty.
Oh,
So lovely.
Look, your daddy's he's making films when you're crying. You got me laughing, innit?
don't. Yeah. Don't worry. She never stops crying, Rupert. Trust me.
Come on then.
She's just
girl.
a cry. That's what.
Remember, again, the last time we came, it looked so different. This time it looks just fresh.
It looked nice last time. What are you on about? It was beautiful.
I don't mean it looked bad, but I mean it's just like, it looks different. It looks well fresh.
All my roots is here, Misha.
Yeah.
All my roots. Yeah, and the trees everywhere.
Over there.
Oh, that's one. Nothing make.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's so cool.
It's really stronger than that anyway.
That's so cool.
You feel it often.
Look, that's
Yeah,
a.
you have to ask Grandad again.
Dad, I got some stuff.
I bet you.
Chew it and you get the
Oh,
juice
cheers,
out.
man. Lovely.
Yay.
Yeah, snap it off.
Mummy got the big bit.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
I got the big one.
So remember,
You know what to do,
eat the
don't you?
hard
Look.
bit.
Yeah, chew it up.
You just chew it like this, that.
And you get the juice and then you spit the hard bit away.
Yeah. And it tastes like sweeties, doesn't it? Thank you.
It's very
Say
nice.
thank you, Grandad.
Won't you say thank you?
You are, aren't you?
Oh, boy.
Oh, that's
Are
amazing.
you guys hungry?
Go,
Put it on the top.
Daddy, go.
Go, Daddy, go.
Go and for me. Put the little stick and turn it. Turn it now, Sissy.
Go on, Daddy.
I'm trying to do it, man. I'm gonna
Yes!
Let me catch it there.
Way, you got it, T.
There's more on it. There's more over there.
Whee!
Can I use this one?
We have to wash it first.
How do we use this?
Yeah, there is a tap. You remember where the tap is.
Am I going in the right direction?
I can't even see.
I can't see it. Honestly, I cannot see it. For the life of me.
Come around here. You got to come around.
Oh, that one.
Loads and loads up there.
Hazel, watch out.
Look.
I still can't see it, man. Nah, what's the matter with me?
Let me pick it.
I am supposed to, I do usually wear sometimes
I was going to say, you might need your glasses on.
Yeah.
Do you want to hold it?
You have to catch them.
Very right.
T. Eat the bit that doesn't.
Watch out, T.
T. Do you want that bit there? Not the muddy bit, but the bit on the top. Where's that? Oh, there you are. You're supposed to catch it.
Oh yeah, because we drop on the concrete. I think it might break.
Where is it?
Go on, Daddy, catch.
I'm trying. I can't even see where it is.
Yeah, it'll soon come down.
Ah, there you go.
We've got
Ah, it's caught in the tree again.
Okay.
teamwork.
Yeah. Don't tell you.
Oh, it's up there, isn't it?
It's that one there.
What?
Ah, there's one.
Yes. Oh, it went on the grass.
That's all right.
There's another one.
That's one of the things we had in Apple. You got your fruit picking. See, look at the scissors.
Hey, little.
Hey, look. Grandad's gonna pick. It. That's an apple tree, this one? Yeah, we ain't that one of these.
No, I've been dying for an apple. Yeah. You know they're in there somewhere.
Sorry, you got to talk to Robbie about getting some.
Mm.
Do you reckon that Robbie would let us take cuttings from some of the trees?
So we can
You know,
grow
cutting.
them.
You know when you like take a little piece of like the leaf and then try and grow another one. Do you know what I mean?
Do you think he'll let us?
Not today. I'll ask him.
Anything you want, probably look up on you.
Yeah. We want to get. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know about how you go off these, but the best way is to take like a plant, you know what I mean?
Just like one of the smaller ones or something.
Yeah, when it's growing up.
Just from seed.
Yeah. This one is
Oh right, is it?
I think they cut out the tree.
Put a new one in.
No,
Is that from the root? Yeah. What? What's up? Oh.
Oh, it's like the red ant.
Yeah, look. That's one of the apples.
Theo, come away from there.
If you
You've got
look
the big red ant there.
the leaves cover them up. You can't drive through the gap. The leaves cover them.
Oh
I
yeah.
can't
I
see
can see some small ones. Yeah.
Some big ones on
I
it.
can't see.
I can't
need
see
my glasses,
any.
man.
What's up, little guy?
Oh, sorry. Got to wash off those starfish.
No, I'm not going to eat that.
I'll back off the outside and eat the inside.
You enjoying it, Dee? You're enjoying yourself, are
See
you?
that?
Incredible. I can't see anything. Oh, yes. Yeah, I can see. Yeah,
I can see it. There you go.
they're the only ones I can see.
One.
They're not ripe. They're not ripe. I mean, like you don't want to eat it.
Yeah,
It's too like woody and it don't taste nice.
it's not ready to be eaten. You're right, Hazel. What are you getting?
Grandad, what are you getting?
Make sure the apple don't boink you on the head. Boink.
We can pick it. There's one, but it might fall in your head.
Yeah. Just try and catch it in your mouth.
Yeah, come behind me.
T, go behind Grandad.
Go stand behind Grandad.
I was a bit too young.
You eat the white bit?
Yeah, we're like the
clear
seeds and
bit?
things like that.
Yeah.
Seeds and things like that.
It tastes absolutely delicious.
Go study for some. Or Grandad.
It's got seed in it, yeah? So
The seed bit, you spit
You
out the
chew
seeds.
the
out
white
the
bit,
seed.
but then spit out the seeds. It's alright, go and put it all in your mouth.
It used to be my favourite fruit when I was young. Yeah, I was going to spit them out the street. I'll eat as many.
Have you seen?
Go up to it. Blow it a bit more. Oh, maybe he doesn't want to go. Wow. Oh, there he goes. Don't worry, Hayes.
You got your light up there.
You don't like this, and the light come down.
Yeah.
The light come down from there.
Yeah, leave that. Someone's washed their teeth with that tea.
Yes, Theo, you know what it's for. You got Soursop all over your
Take a picture
Of
with me.
course, I will. Of course. Do you want it?
Come on, T.
Come, T, where's Hazel?
It's recording. Do
Come.
you not want to be in it, Mary?
Come.
Because you can
Come on, Mary.
say cheers. There you go. It's a video, you know, Rupert.
okay.
No, but you can just stop it, can't you?
Yeah.
There you
Go
go.
in it now.
Yeah.
Go, you go in it
Oh.
now. We turn it down.
Come, T, come, Mary. Smile,
Come on,
T,
now. Come on, T. Go on.
Good boy,
Hey,
Sophie.
smile, Mary.
Smile. Oops.
Say I'm with my family.
Yes, I am with my family.
Boy.
She says, hey!
Honestly, today's just been an emotional day. It's so emotional. So let me just recap over the whole day. So, yeah, today was the first day seeing my dad for like 25 years, and I was so nervous, I was so excited. I had so many emotions. I didn't know how to feel. I did know how to feel. I didn't know how to feel. It's just everything. We went, the journey was a pretty bumpy, rough journey, but we made it in one piece. And when we got there, and I just saw my dad for the first time, it was just amazing, absolutely amazing. He looks different to how I can remember him looking. Obviously, I look different to the way he remembers. I've grown up a lot. His voice sounds so familiar again, but just, it's beautiful hearing his voice and just hearing him say my name. And again, for me to just like be able to say the word dad, it just incredible, absolutely incredible. He was so happy. You could see it meant a lot to him for us to come and for us to be together in one space. It was just beautiful. It was nice because it just felt so natural. It felt like even though so much time had passed, in a way it felt like it hadn't passed at all. It felt right. Travelled up to my dad's mum's land, and that's where we all decided to meet. And while we were there, we walked around the land and we picked some fruit. The children got some sugar cane, which my dad freshly chopped down. It was just lovely, just so nice. Probably saw Toby managed to get a star fruit, and we just had the best time. It was so relaxed and just wonderful. It was just really, really nice. I feel so happy for the children that they've got to meet their granddad. So Theo's 5, Hazel's 3. There's just been a lot of questions over the years. They've seen obviously other children with grandparents and they've wondered where their granddad is. And today they finally got their answer, and they both had such a nice time with him. He's wonderful with them, absolutely wonderful with the children. even Melody's Melody's a bit of a crybaby, but he just embraced Melody, held her, cradled her, and it was just beautiful for me to see. So not only was it me meeting my dad, it was the children meeting their granddad for the first time. Do you know, one thing that surprised me about him actually was like he's really laid back, very, very laid back character, which is nice because I can kind of see where I get it from. And yeah, that was beautiful to see. It was something actually I didn't quite expect. He's very laid back, he's very smiley, very happy. Yeah, he's very positive. He's a very, very positive person, my dad. And yeah, it's just, yeah, really nice to embrace that, to see what he's actually like now. It's lovely. I feel very grateful that this has happened, really. And to be honest, if I wasn't here in Jamaica, this wouldn't have happened. So this even more makes me know this is the right place for us as a family. The only reason why I was able to meet my dad, coincidence or not coincidence, you let me know, but the only reason why we managed to meet was because we've moved here to Jamaica. He happened to come over here just for a holiday, and my uncle, which is my dad's brother, arranged the whole meeting on our family land. And yeah, if we both weren't here at the same time, I truly believe like this wouldn't have happened. It's nice anyway, picking the fruit and going around the land and just seeing where my dad grew up and seeing where my dad's mum grew up and seeing where my dad's mum also grew up. So you probably saw the grave, and that's my dad's mum's mum who's buried there. And yeah, just walking on the land is just beautiful. I really feel like a true sense of belonging. It's just amazing being in that space. The children, you can probably see they're so happy. Theo had his first taste of Soursop juice and he's obsessed. he loves it. Just yeah, what an amazing day. It's just, I'm overwhelmed with joy and with happiness, and my heart's just buzzing, just really buzzing. I never thought, I don't know, it just, I guess growing up, now that I'm 35, I thought, would I ever see my dad again? I never knew, I never really knew. And it's wonderful to be at this point, and now I can say I've seen him and we're definitely gonna stay in touch. I can't even express the level of just gratitude I feel that this happened today. Just beautiful. Let me call Theo over before I start crying and getting emotional. I think he's outside, bless him. Theo, come darling, come here for a sec. Are you alright, darling? Yeah. How was it meeting Grandad?
Good.
Yeah.
And he gave me some Soursop juice.
Oh, what did you like it, or was it nasty?
It was.
Would you like to see Grandad again?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how was he? Was he?
He was good.
Yeah. And what did we do when we saw Grandad? We went round the land, didn't we? And what fruits did you try?
I tried some Soursop juice.
Yeah. Do you remember we got a star fruit as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. You had fun, didn't you?
Yeah. Now I'm so thirsty.
Oh, you're thirsty now?
Yeah.
What are you thirsty for?
From water. It was really nice I really wanted to see my granddad again.
Oh, Fifi.
Now I'm thirsty.
Alright, you grab a drink then, and you can go play. Yeah, today it's meant a lot to the children. So not only me, it's meant a lot to the children. They now have a granddad. Now me and my dad have touched base that this will just continue to blossom. And I truly believe like now we've got each other back, we'll never lose that. As I say, I feel really grateful that this has happened, and very grateful to my uncle who arranged it all. So grateful for Toby, for his support and for his encouragement as well, just to support me in making the decision that, yeah, this would be a lovely meeting for us, for our family. This day has truly just changed my life. It's the beginning of something beautiful for us all, and yeah, we know a beautiful, long, meaningful relationship from this day is just going to develop, and I just feel so blessed. As you grow up, you learn to be strong and you learn to cope. But today I can say I've truly missed having my dad in my life, and we're not going to let that happen again. When my dad comes out to Jamaica next year, he says he comes out pretty much every year, so when he comes out next year, we'll definitely be catching up. I have my dad back. Amazing.